Quickcept. Concepts that click, quick.
Hello students. Today we will learn a beautiful poem called Canvas of Soil written by Maya Anthony. This poem compares gardening with painting and shows how a gardener turns simple soil into something beautiful. Let's understand the idea of the poem. The poet describes the earth as a canvas, just like a painter's canvas. Instead of paint and brushes, the gardener uses seeds, soil, water, and care. As the gardener works, the empty land slowly begins to change. Seeds grow into plants, and soon the garden becomes full of flowers of different colors. These flowers look like bright brush strokes on the earth's canvas. The poet describes how the flowers dance gently in the morning light, creating a beautiful and lively scene. Through this description, the poet shows that gardening is not just work, it is a form of art. Just like an artist creates a painting with patience and creativity, a gardener creates beauty through hard work and dedication. So students, the poem highlights an important idea. People who work with the soil are like artists because they transform ordinary land into something colorful and alive. The message of the poem is very clear. All honest work is valuable and creative. With patience, care, and hard work, even a simple piece of land can become a beautiful masterpiece. And that is the beautiful idea behind the poem, Canvas of Soil.